Hi everyone, I hope you had a great time today learning about the clothes that come from different cultures. Just to review, we learned that a beret, which is a hat made from wool, came from the Basque culture. They wore the hat to keep their heads safe and warm from the cold temperatures. We also learned about ponchos that were worn by the South Americans. They wore these ponchos to keep their bodies safe from the intense sun. We also learned about moccasins. Moccasins were worn by Native Americans to keep their feet safe from the rough ground. Tomorrow, we'll be exploring the different foods eaten by the native people of Mexico. I would like you to look up the following vocabulary words and be ready to tell me what they mean tomorrow. The words are colonized, native, and status symbol. These words are very important in the story we'll be reading tomorrow. Here is a short preview of some of the foods we're going to be discussing tomorrow. The first food that's native to Mexico is an avocado. Avocados come from avocado trees. They are considered a fruit and are typically used to make guacamole. A giatilla is a type of cactus which bears dark red fruit. The fruit is very small, but it's very, very sweet when you eat it. One of my favorite foods of Mexico is the cocoa bean. Cocoa beans are grown on a cocoa tree. They are typically used to make chocolate. This is nopal. It is also a type of cactus, but Mexicans consider it a vegetable. You will typically find nopal in salads. Unlike our tuna fish, this tuna is grown on cactus. It's also referred to as a prickly pear. Tuna is often used to make candies and jelly. Amaranath is very healthy. It's a grain similar to rice. You can grind it up and use it to make a healthy oil. You can find it in health food stores around America. Guava is also known as a guava. It grows on trees, kind of like a lemon. It has a very bitter and sour taste, but they're pink inside. A chayote grows on a chayote tree. It is similar to our summer squash. Typically, it is cooked before you eat it. If you could, think about these foods and figure out what foods you may eat that involve these native foods of Mexico. This is going to be very exciting, and I'm so excited to share it with you tomorrow.